So, it's a beautiful sunny afternoon and we're off to the car wash. So, welcome to the last drive of the year. First thing we have to do before we set off in the car in Austria is to fill in our logbook. Insurance or MOT or safety test requires that we keep a logbook of where we go and how far we drive. So today is the 24th of October, and it's say 2 o'clock. So we're going Linz to Linz, really. We are Leonding, and the mileage is 5989. Okay, it's there. So we fill that in when we get back. First, we're off to the car wash. It's a holiday weekend here in Austria. Saturday, 26th of October is the National Day of Austria. Everything closes, shops, restaurants. But actually I think the car wash is open on Saturday. I think. So as you can see, the beautiful autumn colours are out, and BMW doesn't indicate where he's going. As you can see, we've got a lot of flies and dust and everything on the car, and although it's going to get dusty probably in the garage over the winter, it's a good idea to take all the wax and all the cleaning product off the paint before it goes into the garage for the winter. So this is the first time I think we've been to the car wash in 2 years. Yeah, I can't recall having been to the car wash for a long time. Usually I use the waterless wash and wax stuff, but now once in a while she needs a wash, and she hasn't been wet she hasn't been wet this summer anyway. And they have this special foam cleaning stuff at the car wash now, so it's a lot kinder to the paint than a hard brush or a scratchy sponge. All our favourite shops. Now we're coming to the where the car wash is. So I have to make sure we get one that has the foam. I don't think they all have the foam setting. Oh, it's quite busy. It's quite busy, but we'll have to wait, I think. We'll have to wait. Change. Yeah, we won. €5. We need coins. So which one has the shower? So, let's have a look how watertight she is. A bit of water coming. A bit here. Come in here a bit. It's not too serious. I think that's just when I open the door though. I don't think that's leaked in from that serious. But I'm going to close the door now because we're dripping. And give her a dry off. And then that's better. We'll take it along to the petrol station and fill up. That's the first wash we've had at this car wash for a couple of years. Okay. So now we're all freshly washed and dried. It's off to the last fill up of the year. Quite busy. I wasn't expecting it to be so busy at the petrol station, but I guess days like this, perfect day for washing your car. So hopefully we'll have enough time on the road and in the sun on the way back to the garage to dry the bits off that I didn't have a chance to dry with the leather. I think we'll be okay. Not too much came inside. Oh, there's a bit inside there. Yeah, the old, there's a bit wet in there. We're okay down here, we're okay down there. That might have come in through the door, I don't know. Anyway, let's concentrate on what we're doing. Getting to the petrol station. So the tank holds 60 litres and we're showing half full at the moment. So if I put 20 or 30 litres in, that should be enough to keep the petrol tank fresh over the winter and add the petrol stabiliser as well. So first we've got to find our way to the petrol station. I think we'll go this way. I think, oh no, not this way. No, I'll have to go this way now. Okay. I don't know where I'm going this way. Not to worry. Pretty roundabout. We're on the wrong side. I'll have to turn around. Just come at it from this side. The petrol cap is on my left. That's the one we want. That's the one we want. Just back up a little bit. Mind your door. Put this benzene stabilizer in, so we need 60 litres, so 50 litres let's say. So 25 is a full cap here. Okay, got it. 25, I need another 25. That should be enough, I think. Let's not forget that. Now, what do we want here? We want this one, Max Motion. That's the 100 octane stuff. So as ever, it's taken an age to fill up the car. I guess if you've seen the other videos by now, you know how long it takes to put 20 litres of fuel in here. See how slow it's going. You see how slow it's going? That's the rate that I have to keep the pump open. It doesn't go any faster, otherwise it just clicks off. Anyway. Okay, I think that's it. It's only taken 17 more litres. So I'll go inside and pay. So I'll go inside and pay and make sure we don't forget this. So we're full up with petrol and we're full up with, well, we're not full up with, but we've added sufficient petrol stabilizer so the petrol stays good over the winter. And we will be running smoothly in the spring. The petrol tank is not actually showing 100% full on my gauge, but it was brimming, so I assume it's full. I'll take it as being full. So back to the garage now. Wipe off the rest of the water and make sure she's positioned in the garage correctly so I can work on the car over the winter. Okay. Now we need to stop and get a stand.
Ooh, if there
Are
is.
they there? Are they there? Are
I
they
don't
gonna be
know.
there?
I don't know. I
haven't been
really
yet.
don't
I
know. Let's have a look in a second. Ooh. No.
Yes.
Really?
Yes, they are. Look.
Oh, yes, they are. Whoop, whoop. There we go. Here are little pumpkins. And off we go.
Okay, so we've arrived at the pumpkin station. See, we've got the big traditional ones, and these. What do you call these?
Butternut.
Butternut ones. Yeah. These
Hueco.
small, yeah, exactly. Some with knobbles on. Yeah, some of these sort of UFO-looking ones.
Speisekürbis.
Speisekürbis, I'm told. The rugby ball ones. What are they called?
I don't know.
Yeah, don't know either. And some more sort of
Speisekürbis.
Speisekürbis. This is more butternut. Oh, this is okay, and there's the Kassa. Where you put your money. There's nobody here, so you pay. So these ones are 250.
The big ones.
And these ones look like they're €5, don't they?
I don't know.
So shall we take one of these? Yeah.
Yeah, but a nice one
That
to
looks so
carve.
nice. Oh.
This is a very nice one.
Is that a nice one?
No. You have to look a little bit. Maybe that one at the bottom then.
I think they all have this sort of pattern because that's where they sit on the ground. But
Yeah, I know,
that's a
but
nice one.
we still have to have a little bit of a look.
That one.
Maybe
Put that
this
one out for consideration.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to do that.
One.
There we go. That looks like a nice pumpkin. Okay, let's get it home.
Let's get it in the car.
Yeah. Where are we going to put it in the boot?
Yeah. I would think so. Put it in the boot.
Yeah. Let's put it in the corner over here so it doesn't roll around.
That looks like a nice one.
Okay. Yeah. So we're back in the garage. Everything's ready. We've filled up with petrol and petrol stabilizer. We've given it a good wash and a good dry, and everything's ready for winter storage. So I hope you join me in the garage for my mechanical endeavours over the winter, and I'll say thanks for watching and see you soon.